delicious. And it is a fun Chex Mix treat covered in white chocolate. Yes, treat. Treat, yes. So today we have some Chex Mix. We have some M&Ms, pretzels, and we have some white chocolate. So, can you say pretzel? Pretzel. No. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, before we get started, let's learn some colors. So, grab a blue M&M. Blue. Blue. Pretty good. Good job. Blue. Red. Red. Good job. Red. White. White. Good job. Now yellow. 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 Good job. Yellow M&Ms. Last one, green M&M. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a big mixing bowl. So take the bowl. Let me see. And then we're gonna add our white chocolate in there because what we have to do is we have to melt our white chocolate. Go ahead, put in the bowl. Good job. So I'm gonna warm this up for a couple of minutes. Placed nicely in here. So we're just gonna leave it whole and we're gonna melt it. Yeah, we're gonna go melt the chocolate. White. So it's not quite done melting, just a couple of more seconds. Almost. Couple more chunks. All right, now that our chocolate is melted, we're gonna stir just to make sure it's thoroughly melted. Now, we're gonna start adding in our treats. Let's add in some Chex. Here, pour it in. Very good. Go ahead and mix that up. Next, we're gonna add in some M&Ms. Good job. Go ahead and pour it in. Very good. You want to make sure to mix it quick before the chocolate hardens. Now let's add some pretzels. Pour. High five. Well done. Well, first, let's mix it some more. And let's mix it all up. There's a... Good job. I want to make sure everything is nicely coated in that chocolate. Right now we're going to pour it inside of our container because what we're going to do next is we're going to freeze it. So let's go ahead and pour. Next we're going to freeze it so that the chocolate will harden. Okay, can you put the top on? Put the top on. Very good. Perfect. So now we're gonna freeze that. We'll be back. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Very good. As you can see, all of the chocolate has hardened. It's no longer melted. So we're just going to scoop some of this up. And we're going to bag it up for us for the week. So this is going to be a little hard. So just kind of go in there and break it all up like that. You can wear gloves if you like. Okay. Just put some in there, like that. And our cool little heart bags. Like that. A fun little treat that you can make any time of the year. So wasn't it so much fun making this Chex Mix treat? And it's really yummy. Very good. Very good. Here you go.